My name is Vicky. So here I am with the new AWS video. Now before I go to the demo, if you are here for the first time, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified of the new video. So hi YouTube family, I'm back with the new episode, and in this video we are going to learn what is EC2. Yes, how to create a machine we are going to learn in this video. Now EC2, when I say EC2, that is Elastic Cloud Compute. Now why it is Elastic Cloud Compute? Because it has a elasticity, it has a capacity, and it is on cloud, and that is the reason we call it as Elastic Cloud Compute. Now in this video we are going to learn how to create a machine, how to connect to a machine, and if you want to follow along, you can do that. So I expect that you know like how to log into the AWS console. If you still don't know how to log into the AWS console, I'm going to create a video, separate video for that, where I'm going to teach you like how you can log into the AWS console. Not wasting much time, let's suppose you logged into your AWS console. Afterward, what do you need to do? You need to select one of the region. So here I have selected the Mumbai region. There, yeah, you got it right. So I'm in India, that is the reason I have selected Mumbai. Now if you are in North Virginia, if you are in Ohio, California, Oregon, you can select the region which is nearby to your location. Now there is a reason for that as well. That is something again I'm going to discuss in detail in my next video. I'm not going to discuss that thing here. We are only going to concentrate on the EC2, so let's stick to that. Now EC2. Now where I can get the option for the EC2, how I can create. I'm in my AWS console. It sounds confusing. Where I need to go? Boom, here is a search bar. I need to type EC2 here. Now once I type the EC2 here, it is going to show me the services EC2. Along with that, it is also telling me other things. What other things? So many things are there, so much confusing things. Let's focus on a first point here, EC2. Now here it says, let me click Mango. So right now I don't have any of the machine running. It's telling me in the search bar instance state running, no machine. Let me cross this. No instance I have in this Mumbai location. Now how to create a machine? Confused? I have so many options again here. Now how to create a machine? It's simple. We need to click on the launch instance, or we can go here, click on the instance, and then click on the launch instance. First thing is the AMI, Amazon Machine Image. So from here I need to select the Amazon Machine Image. That is the base operating system. Now it might be a possibility that you need to create a Windows Server, Mac operating system, Linux, Ubuntu, whatever you need to create, you can select the operating system from here. So I'm going with the default one, that is the Amazon Linux 2. This is the latest one from AWS. I'm going to select that. Now the next one is memory and the CPU. Here free tier. If we want to work in the free tier, we don't want to pay anything, so we can select the free tier here. Now if I scroll down, I can see I have other options as well. If I want to create a machine with, let's suppose, more CPU, more memory, I can do that. Free tier, so here I'm going to select T2 micro, free tier eligible. Let me click on the next. So here is the configure instance detail. We can select the VPC from here. We can select the DNS name. We can select the placement group. We can select the capacity reservation. IAM role we can select. Monitoring we can enable. We can select the tendency. We can select the user data as well. We can do n number of things from here. In this video, we are just going with the default option. We are not going to change anything in this. So let's create a machine first with the default option. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create more videos where I'm going to explain each and everything in detail. So let's stick to the basic, let's stick to the default option. I'm not changing anything. The next is the add storage. Now you are creating a Linux machine, so the operating system will need to install somewhere. So that is the storage we have, and the size of that storage is 8 GB. That's okay, I'm fine with it. If I need to increase the size of that, I can do that from here if I need to go, but as of now I'm okay with it. I'm not going to do any of the changes here. This thing is very important, delete on termination. Now what it say, if I'm going to uncheck this box, what will happen? If I'm going to uncheck and I'm going to delete my machine, what will happen? My volume is not going to delete. And if this option selected here, what will happen? If I'm going to delete my machine, it is also going to delete the volume for me as well. Now what volume it is using? It is using the EBS. Again, we are going to cover that thing in detail in the next video, not in this video. This video completely on how to create a machine, how to connect to a machine. Now the next one is the tag. Now what exactly the tagging is? Tagging is something to give name to your machine. Now not exactly your machine, it is something to identify from the AWS console. Let's suppose you have 500 machines, right? And if you need detail of certain machine, how you will get that? Now let's suppose you have couple of projects running, and for all the projects you have 5 to 10 machines. Now for one of the project you need to list down all the machine. How you can do that? That is with the help of the tagging. So tagging is very important. It is recommended that whenever you are create any resource, just give the tag name over there so that you can identify your resource later. So here I am going to give demo EC2, and here I can add more tag, like let's suppose I need to add environment as equal to prod. I need to add project here, cookie, like this I can add. And I can also select this tag is going to work for instance, for volume, or for network interface. Again, network interface is a new concept. Now what this network interface is, don't worry, we are going to cover in detail, not in this video, in the next video we are going to cover. So let me go next. Now configure security group. This is again very important. This is a kind of firewall for your machine. Now if you need to log into your Linux machine, you need a open port, you need a door to connect, and this is the door here, port number 22, SSH. So now the last one, I need to check, I need to review all the settings which I have selected in the previous steps. If I'm okay with that, I'm going to click on launch. Boom. Now here it says to select a key pair. Now what is this key pair? Again confused? Don't worry, we are going to create a video on that where I'm going to explain what is key pair, how to create a key pair, how to connect, or how to use a key pair, single key pair with multiple machine. I'm going to tell each and everything. As of now, how to create a key pair, just select create a new key pair and give a name. So let me give a name, today demo, and I need to download this thing. Once I download, I am going to click on launch instance. Now here it says okay, your instances are now launching, and it is also giving me the instance name. Let me click on that, and here I can see my instance is in the process of creating, and I can see the state is in pending. Let me refresh this thing. Okay, it is still pending. No worries, it is going to take some time, and after that I can see my instance state is in running. So let's wait. Yep, I can see now it's in running. Now how to connect to a machine? Again, it's again very easy. What we need to do is we need to select our machine. We need to click on connect. Now once I click on connect, it gives me 4 tab option to connect to my machine. From that option I am going to connect the SSH client, and here it says run this command to change the permission of the key pair. Key pair, something that is we downloaded at the time of launching our EC2, and to connect it says you can connect like this. Now what I need to do is I need to go to that location where I have my key pair downloaded. So let me go to my terminal, and one more thing, I need to tell I'm on the Mac system. So if you are working on the Mac or the Linux, then you need to change the permission. That means you need to run this command. If you are on the Windows machine, you don't need to run this command, but if you are on Linux or Mac, you need to run this command. And let me show it to you. Let me go to the location, cd download. Now the key pair is this, today demo. But before that, let me copy this command, paste it here, and hit enter. Let me click on yes. Now here it says warning, unprotected private file, and here it says bad permission. So that means I need to correct the permission of the file. Which file? This file, today demo.py. So let me see the permission of this file, ls-lah, and the file name is today demo. Now if I am going to see, it has this permission. If you are not sure about the permission, don't worry, I'm also going to create a Linux course, there you will get knowledge on this thing as well. Now how to change the permission? There is the command chmod 400 and the file name. So let me type chmod 400 and the file name is today demo.py. Now ls-lah today demo, again the same command. Now see the difference. See the difference. Now let me connect to my machine with the same command. Boom. I logged into my machine. So here if I'm going to say host name, it is telling me that 172, this is the private IP of my machine. Now how I can verify that thing? Let me go to the instance once again. Let me select my instance and here is my private IP. Let me verify it. Yes, it's the same. And who am I? I'm EC2 user. Great, bingo. Now I know how to log into the machine, how to create a machine. I know that. Now the last part is, once I'm done with the things I need to do on my machine, I need to terminate this machine. And why I need to terminate this machine? Because I'm getting limited amount of free tier from AWS, only 750 hours per month for the first 12 months. So I don't want to pay any cost here. Now what I need to do is I need to terminate this instance. So how I can do that? I need to select my instance. I need to click on the instance state and here I can go and terminate. And once I'm going to click on that, boom, it is shutting down and now it is going to tell me that it has terminated my machine. I hope you understand like how to create a machine in the AWS console. And if you like this video, do